Hi, this is Mrs. Tyler, and I'm here to really quickly remind you of how to take how to access the resource that we've already linked for your person and to put that into your work, your citation page and note-taking assignment. So if you open up your assignment, go back to this page. We have this list of all of the progressive era reformers. This is a hyperlink document. Each one of these names is a clickable link, okay, where we've actually found someone for you. All right, so let's say that the person that I was researching is Jacob Reese. I can go click on this. It will bring me to a great biography, which I can use. But you'll notice, unlike when we go through the e-resources option that I showed you earlier, you don't have a citation tool on this page. Okay, so if you want to use this, that's fine, but you still need to cite it accurately. So you're just going to have to go here. I need you to click on that URL and do Command C. Then I have also posted this link right here. It's called Cite This for Me. It's also available as a add-on that you can put onto your Google Drive. Okay, but you can just do it right on the website too. When you get here, you have to know exactly what format of citation you need. And we've been talking about using APA. So click on APA. You're going to choose a website because that's what you're using. You can enter the URL or which is what you just copied from that other page. So here's that article. This is the URL. Command C will copy it, and then here in this blank here, you're going to go Command V to paste it and search. Okay, it's going to think, it's found it. You now need to click the button that says Cite. This has a couple steps, don't panic. Here's what we found. It says it couldn't find the author, publishers, or publication date. That's not a problem. Don't worry about it. Just continue. You don't need to add any other information about it either. Just scroll down till you get to the part where it says Complete Citation. Once you are there, you scroll down here, and this where it says Your Bibliography, you need to click that. It will highlight the whole thing and then do that whole Command C to copy and go back to your assignment. Okay, that has your name on the top. Stick it into one of these spots that you need for citing sources, and it's there. Okay, remember you need at least 3 sources. You can use the one that is on this progressive list as a PDF link and use the Cite This for Me option, or you can use the e-resources databases that we have access to. My favorites are the U.S. History and Context database, the Explore a Teen Edition database, and the Gale Kids Infobits database. And these have great options for you as well. But what's great about these options is that they all have a handy dandy citation tool for you to just click on, and you don't have to go to that Cite This for Me source. Okay, so that's the real quick and easy way of finding and citing academic, reliable resources for your progressive era research project. Thanks, and have a great day.